Hello, it's Paul. I just want to give you a really quick tip for Trello. I use Trello all the time. You can see it's how I schedule and do my videos. So I work out what videos I need. So what I'm going to do is a quick video on how to import from a spreadsheet quickly. The basic way of doing it, right? So what you do? So I do these videos. So maybe I've got I open a spreadsheet. So I do Zoho videos like Zoho 1. Let's say 1 to 12, right? So say I've got a list of videos to do, and I want to import these. So I'm just going to copy this and add to this card. So it looks like it's going to add as one card, right? But as I add it, it'll say how many do you want, and it'll quickly create 12 cards. So that's the easiest way. And if you would had another quick way, if you hover over something, oh, let me close that. Another quick tip is if you hover over and press C, it archives it. Right? If you press space, it assigns it to you. But if you press C, it archives it. So just a real quick tip on getting rid of things, right? And it would have done it as well if I'd have done something, introduction, lesson 1. Conclusion. It would still have done it if I'd copied this and add to card, drop them in. Do you want to add 12? And it'll add 12 quickly like that. So it's just a quick way of doing it. If you've got a load of cards you need to add, it's an easy way to do it. And as I say, if you do it and you've done too many highlights, close the card. C, just press C when you highlighted the card. Press space to assign you, C to get rid, C to archive. It's just a really quick Trello tip. Hope that helps. Any questions you got on Trello, I'm going to add it to my free Trello training on my website where you're going to get more out of Trello. You can come and join my Facebook group and ask questions on Trello as well. I'm here to help. I'll try and speed you up and get you the most out of Trello and other platforms. Cheers.